Welcome to the 2026 Motorola Solutions Avigilon Alta and Unity Buyer's Guide. This guide is essential for organizations evaluating Avigilon cameras, access control, and converged security architecture. Avigilon is a strategic security architecture decision, not just a product purchase. It involves cameras, access control, networking, and cybersecurity. Planning must integrate physical security, information technology, and cybersecurity. BTI partners with organizations to guide architecture decisions, ensuring systems are designed, documented, and supported for long-term value. Choosing between Avigilon Alta and Unity is crucial for system design. Alta is cloud-native, ideal for multi-tenant and tech environments, while Unity suits large facilities with complex integrations. Accurate design and quotes are vital to avoid costly errors. Evaluate deployment models, access control, video management, and information technology requirements carefully. BTI offers a comprehensive approach to Avigilon architecture, integrating physical security, information technology, and cybersecurity into a cohesive model. This eliminates siloed operations and ensures a seamless transition from design to support. Using System Surveyor, BTI provides detailed visual layouts, enabling stakeholders to evaluate and approve plans confidently before procurement. Avigilon partner quality is crucial for project success. The right partner transforms Avigilon complex ecosystem into a practical, cost-effective security architecture. BTI ensures precise design, avoiding unnecessary scope and change orders, while integrating legacy systems. BTI combines security expertise, information technology knowledge, and lifecycle support for reliable, high-quality outcomes. BTI offers a comprehensive capability stack for Avigilon design, service, support, and expansion. This includes physical security design, network infrastructure, cybersecurity, manufacturer coordination, documentation, and compliance readiness. BTI integrates these disciplines into a single accountable engagement, ensuring seamless service delivery and eliminating gaps often found when handled by separate vendors. Avigilon Alta offers cloud-managed access control, video, and intrusion solutions. Manage doors and credentials via a centralized dashboard, with mobile credentials and Apple Wallet support. Enjoy remote visibility and event review across sites. Alta Protect enhances site protection with video analytics and alerts, ideal for multi-tenant buildings, tech companies, and cloud-first workplaces. Avigilon Alta enhances security for multi-tenant office buildings by managing tenant access and shared spaces from a single cloud dashboard. Multifamily properties benefit from mobile access and automated vendor management. Technology companies can streamline smartphone-first access and remote administration. Consider upgrading access control for improved security and efficiency. Avigilon Unity offers robust on-premise security solutions for hospitals, clinical facilities, and complex environments. It provides enterprise-grade video management, sophisticated access governance, and deep integration capabilities. Ideal for high camera counts and complex access policies, Unity ensures compliance and data sovereignty. BTI supports new deployments, expansions, and service takeovers. Healthcare facilities demand robust security. Avigilon Unity excels in managing public access, restricted zones, and compliance in hospitals. It supports emergency department access, pharmacy protection, and behavioral health management. BTI's converged model ensures seamless integration across security, information technology, and clinical operations, addressing complex needs with advanced video management and sophisticated access control. Avigilon architecture is tailored for diverse industries, from healthcare to education. BTI assists in selecting the right model, Alta, Unity, or hybrid, based on specific needs like cloud access, on-premise video, and cybersecurity. Each vertical, such as commercial real estate or government, benefits from customized solutions, ensuring optimal security and operational efficiency. BTI tailors Avigilon solutions for high-security, distributed, and regulated sectors like data centers, manufacturing, retail, banking, aviation, and law enforcement. Unity excels in complex, high-security environments, while Alta suits cloud-managed, distributed sites. BTI's expertise ensures systems align with network, identity, and cybersecurity needs, providing comprehensive support and documentation. Avigilon projects require integrated information technology, cybersecurity, and physical security planning. Whether using Alta Cloud or Unity on-premise, systems interact with network infrastructure, identity policies, and compliance processes. Unity demands deeper integration into server and cybersecurity environments. BTI's layered operating model ensures Avigilon systems are managed, auditable, and supportable security programs. Evaluate your Avigilon platform choice with this checklist. Opt for Avigilon Alta for cloud-managed access, mobile credentials, and remote management. Choose Avigilon Unity for on-premise control, large facility security, and advanced integrations. BTI supports hybrid deployments and can assess your needs before committing to an architecture. BTI's Avigilon deployment process minimizes operational risk by aligning organizational goals and clarifying scope and costs. It includes facility assessment, system surveyor layouts, architecture recommendations, and detailed design for cameras, access control, and credentials. Network and cybersecurity reviews precede installation, followed by procurement, configuration, and training. Managed support and lifecycle reviews ensure long-term system health. Let's explore example Avigilon architecture scenarios. For a multi-tenant office, BTI uses Avigilon Alta for cloud-managed security. In hospitals, Avigilon Unity ensures on-premise video management and access control. For tech companies, BTI leverages Avigilon Alta for a modern, mobile-first access experience. These scenarios illustrate BTI's tailored approach to diverse security needs. BTI is more than an Avigilon installer. It's a partner in architecture, security, and lifecycle support. Avigilon Alta excels in cloud-first environments, while Unity suits on-premise needs. BTI ensures the right platform, design, and support, maximizing security outcomes and operational visibility, reducing vendor confusion, and enhancing long-term reliability. BTI offers comprehensive Avigilon services, from quotes to support reviews and upgrades. Our no-obligation security architecture review assesses your facility's needs, ensuring a tailored solution. We evaluate existing systems, compare Alta versus Unity, and provide phased recommendations. Contact BTI for expert guidance and a clear path forward.